I think it has really broadened my horizon and increased my knowledge, so that I'm glad that I was here.
This course really helped me to structure all of the elements around evaluation and the cycle of evaluation, all of the tools that can be used.
I think the learning has been to build more understanding with contexts and then build on your understanding as evaluators.
I've learned about different concepts of evaluation, the purpose of evaluations, and also how to commission evaluations for your organization.
How teams are formed, how to evaluate for the UN and NGOs.
And also the networking with colleagues from all over the world who do similar work.
I learned a lot of great things, especially the course on impact evaluation.
I think it's something that can be really helpful and useful for my career.
I actually love IPDET. I think there's lots of exposure and just that there are so many representation of different countries and lots of experiences, different backgrounds coming from different organizations. So I think I'm really enjoying it.
I regard it as one of the gold standards for training and evaluation.
I think I like the exchange amongst the participants.
A good experience, not just in terms of the classrooms, but also the kind of interactions you get to have with everybody who's there.
It covers a wide range of information.
I like the program because all the courses are given here, all are practicable and applicable.
Bern is lovely. Yeah, it's just such a beautiful city, and it's great to go swimming in the river, in the pools, and walk around the old city. It's a beautiful, beautiful city.
The old town is very beautiful. It's always fun to go around, have a stroll after the lectures are over.
It's my first time to be here. I saw the river. The river is clean, and everything. The environment is clean. The people is really very polite.
The city is great. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Oh, the city of Bern is excellent. It's beautiful. The weather is good at this time, and it's impressive.
Bern is a nice city. It's a bit quiet, but one thing I really like is the public transport. It's so efficient, and look around, there is no traffic.
Very slow. I'm from Bombay, so this is like a vacation.
I mean, if I'm going to take an international course, then why not take it in a beautiful city with a beautiful campus and university in the summertime? It's just gorgeous.